Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this miniature bathroom. To make the slime I used glue and blue laundry detergent. I have a video on this. If you want to watch the tutorial, you can click the link in the info box. Cut off the lower part of the laundry detergent bottle and put in some slime. Now use foam board, contact paper and matchboxes to make a sink. I'm using this water tap from a previous video. The link is in the info box in case you want to watch that tutorial. Apply waterproof varnish to the sink so that the slime doesn't stick to it, and use lollipop sticks and a piece of wire to make another water tap. Cut off a small piece of a drinking straw, carefully make a circle using hot glue. You want to apply it on a piece of baking paper so that you can remove it later on. As you can see, there is a little hole and I'm placing the straw right on top of that and let it dry. Now remove any excess and glue the other side shut. In order to get slime inside the tube, squeeze out all of the air, place the tube inside the slime and let go. As you can see, the slime got sucked inside the tube almost all the way to the top. Use the inside of a pen, a toothpick and a small bead to make the lid. Now use hot glue, nail varnish and a tongue with a pattern like that to make a toothbrush. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to know how I made the rest of the dollhouse, make sure you click the link in the info box and watch the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!